I made some smaller flasks out of whatever wood I had at hand. It was just sort of pallet wood, and you can see it's all warped and changed shape and not a lot of use. A friend of mine who's a joiner come, he took one look and he just says, "John, son, get some more wood." So I did get some more wood, and he built these for us, all the same size. They're all nice, flat, square. They don't piss wobble. I've given them a coat of varnish just to seal them, and we're going to make the handles for them and put some numbers on them. It's a much better job altogether than my miserable attempt. That'll be going straight into the wood burner without a doubt. I've done a simple sketch of the handle bracket for the casks and flasks, and I've also included a little tag so I can put the locating pins through there. I've got quite a few of these. Are what they're called dropouts. That way I've been cutting the shape out in there, the bits of metal that drop out. So what I've done, I've tacked one into here just to support it, and I'm going to cut me brackets out of these. As I'll use the material I've got at hand. It's 3mm metal steel plate. It'll be ideal for what I need. Nice, good quality, very little dross. Happy with that. Grinding the flash off, cut out parts. Just the same job, but not quite as. That's the shortest leg of all the handles I've made. So we'll certainly put that onto there like that. There's a little gauge. And that can be chopped off to length. You have to cut these ends of these bolts off once they're all finished. I might make some corner pieces for them as well, I'm not sure, just to give them a little bit extra strength. But they're screw and glued, so and I reckon the glue is as strong as the wood. Put a 10mm drill through there and give it a little bit open up, I think. Bit of drill abuse there. I'm sure we've all done it. Right, and that one goes into there. Line everything up. That one's bending, it's not quite at 90 degrees, that one's pulled a little bit. Just a little bit of a tweak. Means I can also put a nut on each one of them to hold the boxes together when they're being used. Happy with that. We'll cut them off. Sort these bolts out properly. Yeah, very good. Right, I've modified them again very slightly. I slotted that hole, put them together. They're lovely now, and what I did, I put some spots of weld onto there with the boxes held nice and square, so I'm happy with that now. They're just the way it should be. And like I say, I can put nuts on there if I need to. Nice, I've just got 2 more sets to do now, but at least I know how to do it. See the way the coach bolts are pulled inside. Very nice. Happy, extremely happy. Because Rob's made such a nice job of the boxes, I'm going to cut out some brass letters to put on them, just so I know which part goes with which part.